Hi everyone, how are we? So I'm going to quickly show you the second card that we made at my coffee and card session. So again, it's using the Flourish Filigree stamp set. I do apologise. And as you can see, it's using the same colours as before. So it's a Merry Merlot, basic black and whisper white. And it's this cute little easel card, which you can't see, but it sits up like that and it fits in a 4x4 envelope. So let's get started. Put that there. So what I've done is I've done a strip of basic black measuring 3 inches by 8 and folded at 4. So just bring in a bone folder and crisp up the edges. Perfect. So this card is really quick and easy, and you can do these so simply, I suppose, yeah. I've already said quick, I can't use that descriptive word twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the coordinating ink pad to the ribbon, which is the Merry Merlot. And I've got the large medallion stamp, as you can see here. So I haven't cleaned it off as I've just recorded the other video. So let's just ink that up. So I took the ink pad to the stamp because of how large the stamp is. And I'm just going to put it onto the whisper white, which measures 4 inches by 3. So as you can see, that's the exact same card, it's just that size even. We're just going to turn it on its side. So let's get that stamped. So ideally I do want this in the middle and straight, but then if it's not, it's fine, we'll work with it. So it's not, but we'll work with it like I said. So that's that. What I am going to do is I'm going to do the line around the edges. Yours will probably be neater than mine, but that's fine. I'm going to give it a quick go on camera. Get really shaky towards the end. Unsure as to why. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. I quite like it quite jagged and neat. If you did want it nice and perfect, feel free to use a ruler. So before I adhere that to the card base, I'm going to bring in the reversible ribbon, like so. And as you can see, copper one side, Merry Merlot the other side. I did a knot on the example, however I'm going to try to do a bow today. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to leave it on the spool for this one because waste not, want not, as the saying is. And I'm just going to bring it in. Do that like so. Twist the ribbon so it's the way it naturally falls. Like so. This is when you need an extra hand to hold it down for you. But it's okay. That's completely flumped on camera. I'm going to do it this side. Give me more. Wrap that round, go in between and pull like so and make it adorable. So as it's a relatively small card, I want a relatively small and delicate bow. Oh, there's Christmas. So bring in my scissors. So So now as it's in the middle of the card, I can just bend it a little bit and move it. And with bows, what's good is you get to see both the copper and the Merry Merlot. Well, there you have it. So what I'm going to do is, I know there's ½ inch either side, so I'm just going to do a little bit in the middle of adhesive, like so. Just line it up. Like that. And if you need to be, because we did the adhesive at the top and the bottom, you can still amend the ribbon. So pull that out of the way. So for the sentiment, as you can see, it's on basic black. It's stamped in Versamark and then heat embossed in white. And I'm going to bring in the coordinating punch. Just going to line that up, like so, and pop it out. Nice and easy, like that. Bring that around a little bit more. And then I'm just going to pop that up onto dimensionals. What I'm going to do top and bottom. So one, it'll hit the ribbon and secure the ribbon in place, and two, it'll hit the card and be secure down. And I'm just going to put that in the middle of the medallion, like so. So that's that. Before we finish, I'm going to bring in some rhinestones. Final bit of bling before we finish. So I'm going to grab the smaller ones, and there's a small little dot which I'm just going to cover with a rhinestone, like so. And there you have it, 2 cards, the exact same, apart from one's got a ribbon and one's got a knot, using the Flourish Filigree stamp set from the Autumn Winter catalogue. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below or send me an email. All product information is in the description below, with a list of items that have been used in today's cards, and a link that will take you directly to my shop. All my social media platforms are also in the description bar, so my Facebook, Instagram and my blog are all available for you to pop along to have a read. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know you like it. Thank you. See you around, guys. Bye.